High quality photos are vital to establishing your brand's trust. Hi, Taylor here with Financial Potion, where video is your financial potion. And to never miss out on a video, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and then click on the bell to get notified every Friday at 5 p.m. Arizona time that a new video has been posted. For a one-to-one training or just to answer your individual questions, don't hesitate to reach out for a complimentary strategy session. Although we specialize in video marketing, we also provide the single frame of photography, and it's extremely important that businesses and entrepreneurs do not forget about the importance of high quality, authentic photography. First impressions can make or break a brand. Quality photos often serve as the first interaction potential customers have with your brand, forming their perception in a matter of seconds. Blurry, low quality, or poorly lit images can immediately turn customers away, creating a sense of amateurism or lack of attention to detail. Conversely, a high-resolution, well-composed photo signals professionalism and care, encouraging customers to view the brand as trustworthy. To make a positive impact, avoid overused stock photos that feel impersonal or generic. Instead, use unique, high-quality images that align with your brand's tone and values. Beyond mere aesthetics, authenticity in photos creates an emotional connection. Consumers today want to engage with brands that feel real and relatable. Authentic images like real employees, customers, or behind-the-scenes shots help humanize the brand and foster a deeper connection with the audience. When consumers see genuine aspects of a brand, they're more likely to trust it. Good photos are more than just visually appealing assets. They are powerful tools that can contribute to your brand's trust, reputation, and success. Investing in the right visuals doesn't just enhance your brand's appeal, it elevates it to a level where consumers can feel confident in the value and integrity of your offerings. If you're ready to upgrade your photography, schedule a complimentary strategy session today with us, and we would look forward to going to you, or you can come to our studio in Mesa. Either way, we are here to help you look authentic, look your best, and show even in that single frame why you're a great brand. Hope to talk with you soon.